A delightful morning to all respected Madam Chairperson, Vice Chairperson, Principal RDPS Sonipat, Member of the Management, parents, Member of the staff and beloved students. On behalf of entire RDPS family, I take pleasure to welcome you all to Sparkle Annual Day for classes preschool and pre-primary. The school vision is excellence in education. The curriculum at our school caters to individual learning styles in terms of pedagogy, promotes critical and creative thinking skills, deliver effective communication skills, interpersonal and collaborative skills. The curriculum empowers the individual with good citizenship values and create lifelong learners. It also addresses global need as well as relate to local issue and cultures. The achievement of the school are the outcome of dynamic and cohesive partnership which exists between parents, teachers, students and management, which is geared towards qualitative achievements. The school rich infrastructure design as per the scientific guidance help students for overall holistic development. The air-conditioned auditorium, guest lecture hall, science park, lush green playground with 200 meters athletic tracks, basketball court, amphitheater, well-equipped library, science lab, and well-equipped visual and performing art department provide the students the opportunities for the social, cognitive, and aesthetic development. The school has innovative 3D projection lab along with computer literacy labs, learning lab, e-assessment room to facilitate computer-aided learning. In addition to the above, the school has recently renovated its swing area for Rukmanians. I am glad to inform you in class 12 board result session 2021-22, the students have shown remarkable performance with 100% result. In class 12, our student Ujjwal Goyal has scored 99.2% and Kashish Bansal has scored 99% in commerce stream. Rachit Gupta has scored as high as 97.4% in science stream and Aditi Yadav has scored 98% in humanities stream. In class 10, Purva Sharma has scored the highest aggregate as 98.4%. Out of 161 students who appeared in class 12, 29 students scored 95% and above and 62 students scored 90% and above. In class 10, out of 186 students, 25 students scored 95% and above and 56 students scored 90% and above. Also, our students have touched 100% milestone in many subjects in CBSE examination. There are total 26 students in class 12 who got perfect score of 100 out of 100. And 13 students in class 10 who scored 100 out of 100 marks. These results reflect the hard work and commendable effort of teachers and students. I feel delighted to inform you that quotient index of class 12 and 10 was 89 and 83 respectively. RDPS has been re-accredited with British Council International School Award for the 5th time in succession. The school has appreciated for strengthening global ties with schools across the world and promoting international dimension in the school curriculum. RDPS Pritampura has been graded as Promising School of the Year in the category of 4-star rating scale among top schools of the country for the quality work in the field of education. I feel delighted to inform you that school has been the proud recipient of Directorate of Education Zonal Overall Championship Trophy for the cultural event 5th time in succession for session 22-23. The students have shown commendable performance in competition not only at zonal level but also reached state level. The Rukmanians have participated various competitions like Nukkad Natak, folk dance, orchestra, vocal music, declamation, debate, etc. to name a few. Ms. Tripta Khandelwal, Senior School Librarian, has been bestowed with the Best Librarian of the Year 2020 by Mumbai-based Rockstar Teacher Organization. The science faculty, Ms. Surjit Kaur, has been awarded for the Teaching Aids Lights Camera Action in the Middle Science category at national level in CBSE School Teachers Teaching Aids Competition. Also, the painting of Aryan Raj, student of class 6D, got selected by the Delhi Commission for Protection of Child Rights, DCPCR, Government of NCT of Delhi, and his artwork was printed on the front page of the first issue of the journal Children First. We are pleased to share that our 10 students have qualified the prestigious Science Open Merit Test, SOMT, for session 22-23, conducted by Delhi State Science Teachers Forum. Akshit Gupta of 7th A has bagged the third position in website development in North Zone of Delhi and NCR in the competition SP Codeathon organized by Hindustan Times in association with IBM. He was awarded with a tablet and a full touch control smartwatch. It gives me immense pleasure to inform you that 7 students of class 9 session 2021 and 9 students of class 9 session 21-22 have successfully qualified Mukhyamantri Vigyan Pratibha Pariksha MVPT conducted by Department of Education. The students have been awarded MVPT scholarship for ₹5,000 each. Arjun Yadav of class 12B has qualified Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana for session 21-22 conducted by Department of Science and Technology DST, Government of India. The student has been awarded ₹5,000 monthly fellowship till higher education. Aradhya Jindal of class 10 participated in state level science, mathematics and environmental exhibition. Her project was scored third position at state level among 143 entries. She, along with her mentor teacher, Ms. Surjit, have participated in Jawaharlal Nehru National Science, Mathematics and Environmental Exhibition for the children at national level, organized by NCERT at Guwahati, Assam. These results are outcome of hard work of the students and teachers and never-ending support of you, dear parents. I would like to apprise you all that the school continuously working on sharing the achievement of the students, school activities and promoting the writing skills of students through various publications of the school such as Reflection, Impetus and e-newsletter RDPS Buzz. I request all the parents to browse these publications and motivate the Rukmanians for their efforts. I take the opportunity to extend a special thanks to CBSE and Directorate of Education for their necessary guidance and valuable suggestions from time to time. I would also like to thank to our support staff, who is the backbone of our school, and no program can be successful without their efforts. Most humbly, I would like the opportunity to express my gratitude to our respected Madam Chairperson, Mrs. Anita Garg, for her constant guidance and support that has always helped us to scale the benchmark of success. Thank you, ma'am. I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude towards the founder, chairman and president Rukmani Devi's group of institutions, Shri K.C. Gargji, who has been the backbone of the institute, though sir is not physically present among us now. But his memory and his contribution in the field of education, his thought-provoking ideas will remain everlasting. and we will keep moving ahead on his footsteps. Further moving on, I would like to apprise you that presently the school is focusing on enriching the teaching learning process by focusing on competence-based education as proposed by the National Education Policy 2020. In order to assess the student objectively and take needful remedial interventions, along with the reporting of an overview of their performance to their parents, the school has developed its own digital platform on the school e-portal. The teachers at RDPS are involved in doing quality-enriched lesson planning, resource planning, assessment, and then planning remedial intervention for teaching learning process and are focusing learning outcome-based education. I would like to apprise you all about our recent endeavors in regard to the national education policies taken up by the school under the mentorship and futuristic vision of our Chairman, Dr. Raman Garg. The staff members at RDPS are working towards the implementation of the project-based learning through implementation of Project China, which will enable the students to develop their complex thinking and promote problem-solving skills that are much required for their holistic development. Various outreach activities are being conducted to expand their horizon of knowledge and provide exposure beyond classroom. Our prime focus is to nurture 21st century skills in learning, thereby fostering self-learning and to boost their self-confidence. Before I close my speech, I would like to take the opportunity to give my special thanks to all our dear parents who are the part of our teamwork. I strongly believe that alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. So I request you all to extend your support with positivity for next coming 13 years of journey for the development of your child. Let's work together. I need a louder applause for it, for your support. In order to shape the personality of the child, I also request you all to be the role model for your child and develop a strong bond of association with the teachers for timely and regular feedback of your ward so as to polish their skills further. I hope you will enjoy the presentation of these little Rukminians who are participating in the annual cultural event for the first time. And I request you all to motivate them in a continuous clapping has to be heard for them. Motivate them, they are first time coming on the stage. Thank you and have a blessed day. Enjoy the journey.